Hi, my lovely Leo, and welcome to Floral Tarot Reader English. How you guys are doing? Thank you so much, whoever subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot. I offer personal readings as well, so you can check the description box and comment section. My WhatsApp link and number is mentioned. You can click on the WhatsApp link, send me a hi, and get your personalized reading done at very minimum fees. I have another tarot card reading channel as well in Hindi language. I'll put the link here, and that has around 35,000 subscribers and around 3,000 plus videos. So if you are interested in watching my readings in Hindi, you can definitely check that channel out. And this channel is purely English. Okay, let's just get started with your reading, Leo. Leo, let's check how your love life is going to be. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you'll watch this video, it will maybe or hopefully it will surely resonate with you. So keep your person's energy in your mind and heart, and you can start watching this video. Okay, let's check. Angels, higher beings, and ancestors, love life for Leo, how it's looking like, how it's unfolding, what are the energies, intentions, etc, etc. Let's cut the deck. Okay, current energies of your person is the Knight of Cups in reverse. Okay, intention of your person is the King of Swords. Good, not bad. Future action of your person is Six of Coins. Very nice. Your energy is Ace of Swords. Great. And future of this overall connection is Nine of Swords in reverse. Bottom of the deck is Two of Coins in reverse. Everything is looking great. I'm getting an energy of this person is going to take responsibility for you. Very action oriented energy. But why Nine of Swords? Let's clarify this. Your energies are also quite perfect. So why Nine of Swords? What kind of stress or tension is happening? We'll see, and we can give the guidance. I can give the guidance accordingly. Okay, Ten of Coins, bottom of the deck, the Magician in reverse. Leo, overall great energy is coming up for you. Very nice, beautiful energy is coming up for you. And let's just get started with your reading. I think you guys are in a connection relationship. This does not look like a one-sided or a crushed reading. So there is a connection relationship. And zodiac sign. Your person's zodiac sign, clear cut. This is an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I'm getting Pisces and I'm getting Taurus. And whatever zodiac sign your person is, you can watch this video, whichever zodiac sign is just an additional information. Hold on. Leo, you know what I'm getting, Leo, that finally your love life is definitely is getting stabilized. It's getting better. I'm getting an energy that your person, whether it's a male, female, whatever gender they are, they're going to take responsibility towards you. I always say it in my other channel that relationship is a full-time job. It's a full-time work. If you're thinking relationship is just a la land, having sex, having a good time, love, care, that's just one part. Relationship is building a life together. Relationship is always being there for your person during their hard times. So what I'm seeing over here, that with the Two of Coins in reverse, the imbalance, the imperfections, the blame game, the complaints, the sad part is going to end. And I'm getting an energy within, whenever you're watching this video, within 6 to 9 days from now, your partner is going to be responsible towards you. Why? You may ask why, what is happening. So let's just get started with your reading. Their energies towards you is Knight of Cups in reverse. Let's not forget this, Knight of Cups in reverse. I keep like this so that you guys don't get confused with the cards. So what I'm getting in energy that they are having this realization, Leo, that Leo is the one who has always been very honest, towards me. Leo has never played any kind of mental emotional games, or they are acting like a victim, or etc etc. You know what they're impressed by you, Leo, is your independence, is your honesty, is your efforts, in this connection. So what they're like what we say now, that like for example, okay, I'm just giving a very vague example for everyone to understand. For example, your birthday is on 2nd of April, and your friend's birthday, okay, your friend's birthday is on 2nd of April, okay, and your birthday is on 16th of April. So what, like your friend's birthday is coming first, so you have done like you have just given them like a like a $10 chocolate, or you have just given them a lame party, very lame party. Like you don't didn't feel like, you just like, oh, chodo, like, let's just get over with it. Like you have not, like, that's your best friend, you should put in efforts. It's not like that you don't have money, or you don't have time. You, of course you have time, of course you have money. You could have made your best friend's birthday very special, but you didn't feel like, and that's normal. But when your birthday came up, that your best friend is putting in lot of efforts, buying you cake, balloon, making you feel special. It's not always about the money part. It's about how much you are making your friend, your loved ones feel special. And after that, you are having this realization that, oh, this person considers me so well of me. That this person, my best friend, is my best friend thinks that I'm a very good person. Like, they have put in efforts. It's not about money, but it's about the efforts. So you are feeling guilty. You're feeling guilty that, oh shit, I should have also done efforts. I should have also put in efforts and made my best friend's birthday feel special. Exactly, that is the energy of your person. That since you have put in so much efforts in this relationship, in this connection, putting in efforts, always being there with this person, helping them out in every each and from small things to big things, you have been there with this person. And this person isn't completely regrets, isn't completely shame that, I always say that Leo is my girlfriend, Leo is my boyfriend, I love this person, I care for this person. But what exactly I have done to keep this person happy? I have not even done the bare minimum to sustain this relationship. It's because of Leo's efforts, it's because of Leo's energy this relationship is still sustaining. That is their energy towards you. They're feeling shameful that I should have put in a lot of efforts. That is their energy towards you. Their intention is King of Swords. Right now, they're in this energy that Cancer has done enough for this relationship. Now it's my turn. As a male, as a female, I should put in efforts. So in their intention, they want to, like, whatever complaints you had for this person, that you don't do this, you don't do that, you are like this, that, whatever. They're going to make sure that you don't have complaints for this person, or complaints regarding this relationship slash connection. Number one. Number two, I'm seeing that they are going to take responsibility towards you. For example, if this is a male, they're going to take shopping. They're always going to care for you. If this is a female, maybe they're going to cook food. They'll always be there. They'll always be emotionally available to you. So in their intent, they now want to take responsibility for you. And it is not happening all of a sudden, oh, they are getting a dream, or a spiritual person has come into their dreams. And no, it is because of your energy that they are in this shame. I always say it in my other channel that always put in 1000% in your love life. Why I say this is because in the future, that other person, your girlfriend, boyfriend, or partner, cannot blame you that, oh, you have not done this, oh, you have not done that. Always put in efforts. Love, if you are loving a person, you should be completely obsessed, madly in love with that person, and put in like 1000% efforts. And that's what the definition of true love is. That you should always have an upper hand in the relationship, so that no one can come and point fingers at you, oh, you have not done this, or oh, you have not done that. No, this is their intention. So your future action, 6 of coins. I'm getting that this person is creating balance between both of you. This person will make sure that you are always loved, cared, and I'm putting equal efforts, equal energy, equal love, equal respect, that this person is going to create balance in this connection now. Energies are superb. Finally, they are having this mindset. Finally, they are realizing where they are lacking, and they are putting in efforts to make this relationship better. Let's talk about your energy. Leo is Ace of Swords. You're in a very, of course you love this person, you care for this person, of course that's one point, but you are in this energy of being very practical and straightforward and logical. Even if you're female watching this video, Leo, you are in this energy that you are my man, you are my woman, these are my duties, these are my responsibilities, I have to be there for you. So you have always done correct things in this relationship. You are loyal, you are straightforward, you are like, what you call it, you are understanding, you are giving, you have done, like, you are I think you are a testimony of a perfect girlfriend or a boyfriend. And you are very logical also. I'm getting an energy, Leo, that you are very, what you call it, you're not high maintenance person, you're not high maintenance or an emotionally high maintenance person that you need this person constantly, or you need validation from this person, or you want to meet this person each and every day. You are in this energy that if you are my man, woman, I need basic to basic requirement. But if you're not going to fulfill my basic requirement, then this relationship connection is not heading anywhere. So I think you have communicated, also your communication skills are 10 on 10. Since you have communicated your needs so well, because of that, this person is changing and mending their ways. You don't like keeping things in your heart and cry about it. Oh, this person should understand. Oh, this person should have a dream about it. You like communicating. I'm loving your energy, Leo, and that's one guidance coming up for you, that be straightforward, be honest, be upfront with what are your expectations towards your partner, and just always have a clear and a truthful consciousness. Amazing, Leo. Keep it up. Now, the future of this overall connection, Nine of Swords clarified by Ten of Coins. There can be some tension regarding finances. That's it. That's it. That's the only thing I'm seeing. So keep your finances proper. For example, if you both are having the same pay scale, so make sure that you always touch in, you always put in equal money. There can be issue related to money in the coming future, like this person can say, oh, you took money, or you can say, oh, you took my money. Also, keep your expenses, keep your, if you're going out on dates and etc etc, make sure that you put in equal amount. Yeah, whatever. I think money can be an issue in this relationship, so make sure that the finances between both of you are clear. One. Secondly, I'm seeing that with the 10 of Coins energy, there's a very high chance that if you guys are introducing one another to your family, which I'm seeing that you guys might, there can be a chance that family members can create tension between both of you. So make sure that your relationship is strong enough to withhold the judgments of your family members. That's also one energy I'm seeing. And because of judgment of family members, or they are not liking your partner's energy, etc etc, that can create a rift between both of you. So make sure that keep these two things in mind. Rest energies are brilliant, Leo. Claim this reading, Leo, and seriously, if you have any kind of issues or you need a personal reading, you can contact me. And if you liked my video, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Floral Tarot Reader. Bye bye.